Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, tap on this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature, and as you can see, Adaptive Brightness is now enabled. If you should disable it, you can do that by tapping on the same switcher. But you can also go into Tab menu. Come on. And click on this little icon next to Brightness slider. If it's black, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!